Question 6. Sum pyramids. The figure on the right shows a filled out sum pyramid. In a sum pyramid, the numbers in each space correspond to the sum of the numbers in the two spaces under the number. In the sum pyramid number 1 on the answer sheet, the three lower spaces have been filled with numbers. Fill out the rest of the sum pyramid. Okay, so 12 plus 15 makes 27. 15 plus 29 makes 44. And 27 plus 44 make 71. 3 easy marks there. Question 2. In sum pyramid 2 on the answer sheet, only the top space has been filled with the number 8. Fill out the rest of the sum pyramid with natural numbers, that means counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of which are different. Okay, so they've got to be whole numbers. We're not allowed negative numbers, and we're not allowed numbers that are all the same. So it's hard to get a precise method to this. I got this by systematically going through different possibilities and realizing what did and didn't work. And in fact, there's only a couple of ways you can do this. You can have like that, or basically the same thing backwards. So 4, 1, 2 instead of 2, 1, 4, and then 5, 3 instead of 3, 5. But you only get all of the marks if the numbers are whole numbers, the numbers are not negative, and the numbers are all different. Part 3. In sum pyramid 3 on the answer sheet, some of the spaces have been filled with numbers and the variable n. So n is just standing for some mysterious number that we don't know. Fill out the rest of the sum pyramid. Okay, so we've got 3 plus 3 and n makes 3 plus n, and in the same way n plus 5 makes n plus 5. Or 5 plus n, it doesn't matter which way you write that round. And then at the top we've got 3 plus n plus 5. So that's going to make 8 plus 2n, because the 3 and the 5 make 8, and then the n plus the n makes 2n. Finally, it says in sum pyramid 4, the lowest and the top space have been filled out with numbers and the variable p. Show that you can find the value of p by setting up and solving an equation. Okay, well, it would help to fill this out first. So you've got 7 and p make 7 plus p. You've got p plus 4 make p plus 4. And then if you add up these two grey ones, 7 plus p plus 4, they should add up to 29. So if we write that down, 7 plus p plus 4 equals 29, that's our equation, and we can figure out what p is. So simplifying that, you've got 2 p's, p plus p makes 2p, and then you've got 7 plus 4 making 11, so 2p plus 11 equals 29. Taking away the 11 from both sides leaves you 2p equals 18, and dividing by 2, p equals 9. So we've solved the equation, p equals 9, which means you can have a 9 here instead of p, and then the whole thing works out to be 7, 9, 4, 16, 13, 29. So for my neat answers, well, 1, 2, and 3 are just filled in on the answer sheet. And then question 4, I've put the algebraic argument here on a few lines and said also look at the answer sheet where I've filled in the 7 plus p and p plus 4. And then the marks for that are 3, 4, 4, 4.